Namaskara. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Slightly Madness. So today's vlog is all about auto show event hosted by a college called Karnataka College of Group of Institution. So it's in Yalanka. So we all have planned to go there. So before that, we have planned to catch up in Milano Ice Cream, UBL Road, as always. Let's roll. ಈ ಹುಡುಗರು ವೀಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ಐ ವುಡ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು, ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸೇಫ್. So guys, bike was clean. I have no time actually for fueling up the bike because actually 7:45 we had to meet up at Milano. It is already 8:15 now. I'm in a hurry. I hope all the other boys are also late so that they don't wait for me. Wow! I'm still stuck up at Gurguntepalia traffic signal and you all know how horrible it is. Just trying to rush as soon as possible to Milano. Okay. The signal is off and given the green signal. Let's roll. Bengaluru traffic alli super bike ge ಮರ್ಯಾದೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಗಾಡಿಗಳ ಥರ ನುಗ್ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹೋಗು, ಯಾವನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದವ್ ನೀನೇನು ಕಟಾಕಿದ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Again I took a wrong route guys. Shit me. Why Darshan? Why? You're not going to office. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಆಗೋದು.
ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೂರ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್.
So guys, I have reached Milano UBL Road. As I wish, all the boys are still late. They're on the way. They'll reach in about 5 minutes before me. So let's wait for them. So guys, all the boys are here. Almost, not almost, all are cars. I think only mine is a super bike here. Let's see, I think people will join in directly in the college. This is Lobo's car. MV Men's Down to Earth and Chittu.
Music.
Recently, Chittu got new exhaust for his Porsche. It sounds crazy.
ಈ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೇಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಬರೋರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತರಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
3, 2, 1, go!
Just look at the lineup, guys. Isn't that crazy? What reminds us seeing this scene?
ಇದು
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
The event is going on, very limited bikes. There's my bike, Hayabusa BMW S1000R, 10R and 6R, completely nicely wrapped and with custom exhaust. Here you can see MV Man's car down to earth. Look at the ground clearance, it's extremely good. Finally, Babs Monster Truck is here. He's come all over from Kerala. He's the main guest actually for this event today. So friends, I just reached home. The event was really good. It was happening, and thanks to everyone who organized it and who called us over there. The event is still going on, but I have to catch my cab and go to office today again. So it was a tiring day, but it was worth. It was good. So please do like this video, share the content to everyone, and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and come up with a new vlog soon. Cheers.